Welcome back, artists. Today we are going to practice making boxes using 1-point perspective. So we're going to use this sheet and we're going to work through it together. It's always important to read directions first, right? So you want to read the directions and remember that the steps are to use a ruler. Converging lines are first. Those are the lines that go from the vanishing point to the corners or the edges. Then parallel lines, and then erase the extra lines. Let's start with this first box at the top. Here is your vanishing point, and you're going to line up your ruler with the edges. And then you're going to draw a light line from the corner to the vanishing point. Then you're going to do it, you're going to check all of the corners, and you will only draw the lines that can go directly from the corner to the vanishing point without going through the box. So I'm not going to draw this box right here. So now I have my first step done. I've done the converging lines. Next, I need to do parallel lines. So our parallel lines are going to match the front of the square. We're going to give an end to the square, which will create a cube. The easiest way to do that is to line your ruler up with the edge and sort of slide it over to see how far you want it to go. This is where you have a little bit of choice as far as thickness. Now we're just mirroring this point, this line with the end points. So these stop and start with the corners, and that's where my line is going to stop and start. I'm just drawing between these two lines. I'm not going all the way down to this third line. So I'm going to go to this point right here and draw down. So now I have a line that is parallel to the front of this, ending in my box. My last step is to do this other line that needs to be parallel. So notice this is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. So now I'm going to switch my ruler. So it's a horizontal line. And I'm going to slide it down. Now this time the point, I need to make sure that this intersection meets. So my other line needs to start here at this corner. I don't get to choose how thick it is anymore. It's already been chosen for me. So I'm going to slide this down and I'm going to line this up and go across. And now I have my first box. Step number 3 is to erase the extra lines. If you draw lighter, if you draw the converging lines later, you'll notice that they erase a little bit easier. Now I'm moving on to the next one. Now this one, because it's on the horizon line, so it's at your eye level, that's what the horizon line represents, is eye level. I'm only going to have the front and the side. I don't see the top or the bottom because it is at eye level. This one is above eye level, so I can see the bottom. This one is below eye level, so I'll be able to see the top. So again, I'm going to repeat the process. Corner to vanishing point, corner to vanishing point. And then this one's a little bit easier because I only have 2, so I just have one edge to do for my parallel lines, and then I can erase my extra lines. Your next job is to repeat the process with this box, and then you are going to draw 3 more boxes, one above the horizon line, one below the horizon line, and one on the horizon line. Once this is all complete, you're going to take a photo of it and turn it in Google Classroom.